How often have you sat in a meeting and you wonder with a wish list that the meeting will be more lively, more fun, and most importantly, your people will speak with each other and are able to collaborate well? Now you can take your meeting by storm. Destroy boring, ineffective meetings. Next time, spice up your meetings with GAMESTORMING methods. They are a set of practices and exercises to facilitate your meetings. Get your team to gel by visually communicating ideas with themselves. The overall outcome is your team innovation and change. Hey everyone, I am Wong. I am a HRD consultant, trainer, and writer. In this video, we share about GAMESTORMING and visual meeting for innovation and change. It is no surprise that successful teams learn together as a group. They practice facilitating innovation in a business environment with many different strategies. The GAMESTORMING is a game format. It helps to accelerate your team to experience an alternative way against the standard business meeting. At the same time, generate your ideas, fusing words and pictures into the visual language that everyone shares together. Most importantly, your team is improvising to work on a solution. The visual meeting, in addition, let you storm your meeting to the next level. Try it out. You will be surprised how effective it will work.